Welcome to this video on bidirectional EV charging, exploring how it's truly powering the future of energy. What is bidirectional charging? Beyond drawing power from the grid, EVs can now send power back, transforming them into mobile energy storage units. We differentiate between V2G, or smart charging, which is a one-way flow controlling charging time and rate, and V2G, bidirectional charging, which is a two-way energy flow that discharges power to the grid, providing active energy capacity. Vehicle to everything, or V2X, encompasses various uses. V2H powers homes during outages, V2B powers commercial buildings, V2L powers tools, V2V charges other EVs, and V2F powers agricultural equipment. V2G stabilizes the macro grid. When the grid needs emergency power, the utility signals the EV. The EV discharges its battery, and the EV owner earns revenue. The hardware inside V2G involves an inverter, converting DC battery power to AC for the grid, and a converter, regulating voltage levels. Minor power losses do occur during discharge. Profit requires a market strategy. Revenue streams include the day-ahead market for energy arbitrage and the FCAS market for providing frequency control. Declining energy prices can reduce user profit. The battery degradation paradox presents a risk. Extra cycles cause capacity fade. However, smart algorithms optimize the state of charge, allowing V2G to extend battery lifespan by up to 9%. The V2X software stack involves ISO 15118 for vehicle-to-charger communication, OCPP for charger-to-network communication, and IEEE 2030.5 for network-to-grid communication. Security is not optional. EVs operate as internet-connected power nodes, and hackers could potentially disable vehicles remotely. Hardware needs verified supply chains and local control fallback. Infrastructure realities, like the UK's 99% uptime rule and the need for curbside charging, require local load management solutions to handle the increasing demands. V2G is expected to reach commercial scale in 2026, with major automakers releasing standard V2G vehicles. Bidirectional chargers will unlock demand response revenue, and grid flexibility targets will reach 20 gigawatts. Bidirectional charging stabilizes the fluctuating power grid. V2X technology powers homes, commercial loads, and farms. Standardization and cybersecurity are crucial for global adoption as EVs power our lives.